Are you looking for the perfect garment steamer that truly stands out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money? With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'll walk you through the top 5 best garment steamers, covering their key features, performance, durability, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a purchase. After careful research and comparison, I've selected these products because they've proven to be reliable and helpful for people like you. If you want to check the latest price, detailed specifications, or explore exclusive deals, don't forget to visit the links I've added in the description box below. Those resources will save you time, money, and help you make the smartest buying decision. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. We're kicking things off with an excellent start, something that proves great performance doesn't always mean high price. At number 5, HAPAIS Professional Clothes Steamer, standing fabric steamer with fast heat-up and flat or hanging ironing. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The HAPAIS Professional Clothes Steamer offers a simple and effective way to refresh garments at home, which makes it helpful for busy families, remote workers, and anyone who wants crisp outfits without the hassle of a full ironing setup. It heats up quickly so you can smooth shirts, dresses, jackets, and delicate fabrics in less time, and the standing design keeps everything steady while you move around. The option to steam clothes while they hang or while laid flat adds flexibility for different fabrics, and the large water tank supports longer sessions without frequent refills. A clear benefit comes from its gentle steam flow, which helps reduce wrinkles without harsh contact, and this makes it a friendly choice for items that need extra care. On the downside, the stand takes more space than small handheld steamers, and the hose may feel slightly stiff during long sessions until you get used to the movement. Some heavier fabrics may need a few extra passes to get fully smooth, and users who prefer a traditional iron finish may still use a separate iron for very sharp lines. Even with these notes, the steamer remains a strong everyday helper for people who value neat clothing and a faster routine, especially when preparing outfits for work events, travel, or special occasions. Its simple controls and steady steam output make it easy to use for beginners and experienced users alike, while keeping laundry time more relaxed. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Stepping up the game, number 4 takes innovation to the next level. Coming in at number 4, we have an ARSFUTU Clothes Steamer with a large water tank, self-cleaning, and a foldable ironing board, combining advanced design, solid build, and features that make your experience smoother than ever. The ARSFUTU Clothes Steamer brings a fresh and effortless way to keep your wardrobe crisp and ready whether you are at home preparing for work travel or a special event. Its generously sized water tank lets you steam multiple garments in a single session before refilling, which saves time compared with small handheld units. The built-in self-cleaning function helps reduce mineral buildup and prolongs the steamer life, giving you fewer worries about maintenance. The foldable ironing board adds extra value by offering a flat surface for items like trousers, skirts, or delicate fabrics that benefit from a steadier base when you steam or gently press. Using the steamer is simple and intuitive, so even users new to steaming will find it easy to operate. A clear benefit is the reduced risk of scorching delicate clothes compared with a traditional iron. On the downside, the unit stands taller and takes more vertical space than compact options, which may challenge small living spaces. It also needs more careful storage when folded, and the ironing board can feel less stable than a permanent heavy-duty board under heavier garments. Some fabrics may require additional passes if very wrinkled, which means steaming may take longer than expected. Overall, this steamer blends convenience, style, and versatility, making it useful for families, travelers, and individuals seeking a neat wardrobe without fuss. Click the link in the description box to learn more details today. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, Neakasa Handheld Vacuum Garment Steamer with fabric grip for easy wrinkle removal. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The Neakasa Handheld Vacuum Garment Steamer brings a quick and flexible way to refresh clothes wherever you are, which makes it ideal for busy mornings, travel, or small living spaces where a full ironing setup may not fit. Its compact build and light weight let you steam shirts, dresses, jackets and curtains without hassle, whether they hang or lie flat. The fabric grip handle makes the steamer easy to maneuver, so you do not strain your wrist when smoothing wrinkles. It heats up fast, so you can turn a wrinkled outfit into a neat one in minutes, which saves you time when you are in a hurry. A clear advantage is that it uses less space than large steamers and does not require a bulky setup, making it nice for dorm rooms, apartments, or hotel stays. On the downside, it may take longer to smooth out heavy fabrics compared with a full-size steamer, and the small water tank means you might need frequent refills for a full load of clothes. It also may feel less powerful for thick jackets or heavy curtains, which might need multiple passes. Still, this steamer offers reliable convenience for everyday clothing care and casual steaming needs without the burden of complicated setup or storage. Its simplicity and ease of use make it friendly even for first-time steamer users who want quick garment refreshment at home or on the go. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a serious contender for number 1. Taking the runner-up spot, at number 2, Conair Turbo Extreme Handheld Garment Steamer for clothes and fabrics. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The Conair Turbo Extreme Handheld Garment Steamer delivers quick, gentle wrinkle removal for clothes and lighter fabrics, which makes it useful at home or when traveling. It heats up quickly, so you can smooth shirts, dresses, curtains and skirts within minutes without hauling out a full iron and board. Its portable size means you can store it easily or carry it along on trips. The water tank lets you steam several garments before refilling. The steam flow gently relaxes fabric fibers and helps reduce creases without damaging delicate materials. The lightweight makes extended steaming easier and reduces wrist strain when refreshing multiple items. On the downside, the steamer struggles with heavy coats, thick fabric, and bulky textiles. You may need multiple passes for full smoothness. The small tank limits continuous use, so frequent refills may interrupt your routine. The steam strength suits light garments, but may feel weak for heavier fabrics. Some users might still prefer a full-size steamer or traditional iron for large items or heavy clothing. Even so, this handheld steamer remains a handy companion for shirts, blouses, dresses and travel outfits that need quick care with minimal effort. It fits easily into small spaces like apartments, dorm rooms or hotel closets, which makes it ideal for travel trips and on-the-go lifestyle. The simple controls make it usable by first-time users and regular users alike. Click the link in the description box to learn details. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for, the absolute best of the best. At number 1, we have SALAV full-size professional garment steamer for home and commercial use. This one redefines what performance really means: unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The SALAV full-size professional garment steamer offers a smooth and convenient way to refresh clothes at home or in small commercial settings, as it delivers steady steam that helps relax fabric fibers and reduce wrinkles with less effort than a traditional iron. It features a large water tank that supports long continuous steaming, which makes it helpful for families, boutiques, or anyone who needs to handle multiple garments in one session. The adjustable pole and flexible steam hose make it easy to work with shirts, dresses, jackets and delicate fabrics, while the wide steam head spreads gentle heat across a larger area for faster results. Its simple controls are friendly for beginners and experienced users, which adds to its everyday practicality. On the positive side, the long running time, sturdy design and stable base make it more reliable than many compact steamers, especially when used on large loads or heavier materials. It also stores neatly thanks to its collapsible parts, which helps save space. On the downside, the full-size build takes up more room than handheld models, and it may feel less convenient for quick touch-ups or travel use. It also needs a bit of time to heat up compared to smaller devices, and the larger frame requires a dedicated spot during use. Even so, it remains a strong choice for users who want consistent performance and smooth results on a wide range of fabrics. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.